Now, the window to qualify for the Tokyo World Championships in September remains open for some athletes who missed out on top 3 spots at last week's J3A's National Senior Championships. An additional avenue to qualify could be on the table. Kian Reyna reports.
With at least 2 of the nation's Olympians, 110 meter hurdles bronze medalist Rashid Broadbell and 100 meters finalist Tia Clayton sustaining injuries during the national championship and missing out on automatic qualification to the Tokyo World Championships, there is light at the end of the tunnel. And no, it's not just the usual route of winning the Diamond League final to secure a wildcard entry. According to the World Athletics Qualification System and Entry Standard document, athletes who win their area championships, such as the NACAC Senior Championship set for August 15 to 17, could secure a 4th spot in individual track and field events to Tokyo.
Yeah, what has always been the case, unfortunately, it may have escaped us because, we did not host the area championships last year. But a decision was taken some time ago that the area champion would receive a berth to the World Championship.
But as NACAC President Mike Sands explains, there is a caveat.
The area champion can qualify in all the individual events except for the marathon on the condition that there is no better entry by world rankings of another athlete from the same area in the same event.
With world ranking being a possible stumbling block, the obvious question is whether points earned at the NACAC Championship will count for the event winners.
Well, the good thing about that is the entry deadline for World Championship is August the 24th. So at the end of all the events, including NACAC Championships and anything that happens prior to August 24th, will be in favor of the athletes. So those ranking points would be totaled. So it doesn't matter where you are prior to, once the deadline is closed and then World Athletics does its calculations and look at the numbers, then the numbers will obviously move up or down for some athletes. So the NACAC Championship is the highest, one of the highest ranking points. And so it always augurs well for the athletes to be able to compete at the area championship.
Added to all of that, member federations, in Jamaica's case the J3As, will need to ensure that the NACAC winner is entered in the team for the championship.
So the provision is there, but at the end of the day, it is still at the discretion of the member federation.
If the member federation enters the athlete, he or she will be considered as having achieved the entry standard. If the area champion, for whatever reason, is not entered, his or her place will not be delegated to the second placed athlete and the normal entry rules and conditions will apply. The Tokyo World Championships will be held from September 13 to 21. Kian Reyna reporting for TVJ Sports.